So this is an example of my participants going for a trekking activity. So they are finding their way around in this small island, Pulau Ubin, northeast of Singapore. The activity has been designed that the participants have to solve some activities along the way and also at the checkpoints. So there are many ways to conduct a land expedition in Singapore, given our small land space. So you have to be creative with the activities that you guys do. You can still design activities which land expeditions which require them to walk fast to cover a certain distance. Okay, you can also be creative to insert activities or checkpoints along the way. Okay, so there are many ways to conduct a land expedition in Singapore. Yeah, so you can be creative with this activity.